Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm going to redraw this VEGETA versus VEGETA drawing which I drew in 2019. This one is one of my own personal favorite drawings of myself as it really looks fantastic. It's very original, it's very creative, and it's also perfectly drawn. I can't see any flaws or mistakes. The proportions are great, the coloring and shading looks great, and it's drawn very clean. So there is not much to improve here, but still I wanted to redraw this one as it's a fantastic drawing, and I think today I still can make it a little better. To change things up, I will use different forms like Majin Vegeta on the left and Ultra Ego on the right. The most iconic versus the most powerful form. Alright guys, now let's enjoy the evolution of this drawing together, and I will talk to you guys in the end again. Subscribe if you are new, like the video, and let's go. So guys, last touch and then another drawing is complete. And I think this one really turned out amazing. As I said, the old drawing was already great, but I think this one looks even better. As you can see, I drew some blood coming out of their mouths because of the punch, added lightning around them, and also drew an aura. I also made them battle damaged to give it even more details, and now we got two similar drawings but with 4 different forms. I still love the old one as it's a fantastic drawing, but I really think the new one turned out even better. Alright guys, let me know what you think of the drawing process and comment below if you like the old or the new version more. To support me, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and like the video so it can reach more people. Prints of this drawing are now available on Etsy, and for commissions, message me on Instagram. The full-time version of this drawing will be online on my real-time channel soon, so subscribe over there as well. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next video.